Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and you have the image ready. Let's begin. First, open the Chatgpt app or web interface, then click your profile icon. Once the profile menu appears, select Edit Profile or Settings. This starts the change. Make sure the image meets size and format limits because uploads fail otherwise. If you're on mobile, tap the avatar. On desktop, hover and click Change. This gets you to the upload dialog so you can add the new photo. Now choose the file. Click Upload or choose File, then pick the photo from your device. Once loaded, use the crop box and rotate control to position your face or focal area precisely. This ensures it displays correctly in chat. Make sure the thumbnail preview looks right, because small errors become obvious in tiny avatars. If the interface offers compression or auto-resize, allow it. When you're satisfied, press Save or Apply so the change is finished by saving and then refreshing the page or restarting the app so the new photo propagates. If it doesn't appear, clear cache or log out and back in. That often resolves sync delays. If upload fails, resize the image to under 5 MB, convert to JPG or PNG, and retry. Many failures stem from size or format. Finally, confirm your account type allows avatar changes. Restricted or managed accounts may block edits, so contact support if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.